Hello guys, welcome to Automobile Fever. Today we'll talk about the cars collection of Lionel Messi. He is one of the best footballers of the world. He belongs from Argentina. He has an estimated net worth of about $400 million. Let's take a look at the exquisite collection of his cars. Ferrari 335 S latest Spider. Price of this car is 35.7 million US dollars. This car has 4.1 liter V12 engine with the power of 400 HP. It can reach to the top speed of 300 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 in 4.1 seconds. Ferrari F430 Spider. Price of this car is 400,000 US dollars. This car has 4.3 liter V8 engine with the power of 483 horsepower. It can reach to the top speed of 315 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 in just 4 seconds. Maserati Gran Turismo MC Stradale. Price of this car is 152,000 US dollars. This car has 4.2 liter V8 engine with the power of 460 horsepower. It has the top speed of 289 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 in 4.9 seconds. Audi Q7. Price of this car is 54,800 US dollars. This car has 3.0 liter V6 engine with the power of 335 bhp. This car has the top speed of 245 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 in 6.4 seconds. Audi R8. The price of this car is 208,000 US dollars. This car has 5.2 liter V10 engine. This car has the top speed of 333 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. Audi R8 GT. The price of this car is 250,000 US dollars. This car has 5.2 liter V10 engine. It has the top speed of 350 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. Mini Chopper S Cabriolet. The price of this car is 28,400 US dollars. This car has 2.0 liter V4 engine with the maximum power of 189 bhp. It has the top speed of 190 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 in 7.8 seconds. Range Rover Wheeler. The price of this car is 91,000 US dollars. This car has 5.0 liter V8 engine with the maximum power of 550 bhp. This car has the top speed of 274 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds. Perhaps the most cheapest car in his collection is Toyota Prius. price of this car is 25,000 US dollars. It has 1.7 liter V4 engine with the maximum power of 96 bhp. It has the top speed of 170 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 in 11 seconds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel Automobile Fever.